What's up, guys? We're in the hobby room. It's pretty crappy out today. Bit of rain, and most of the RC rigs are down. So we got the Ryft over here we're working on. So this is the rear axle. We had to change these two gears out of it. Oh, sorry, let me flip around. So yeah, we got the Ryft. It's been giving us issues, but I think I figured it out. Horizon Hobby sent us a couple new parts. These are the parts I replaced. This is the rear pinion. Well, we got the book right here. So we replace this. We replace this bearing here that goes right here inside the housing. I guess this could be the spur, if you will. So that's that. I don't know if you guys can really see, but the teeth were pretty messed up. And then this part here, you can definitely see here. See the teeth are all messed up. So we replaced this, we replaced that. One of these bearings, this guy, it goes inside the housing. They sent me a pack of two. So we replaced this guy as well. We got a spare one. So here's the new spur, or whatever the heck it is. And this guy here is in there. And we put some marine grease in there, waterproof it all. So now we just gotta put it back together. We'll be good to go. Let's hope. Alright, so Horizon sent me a new spur gear, I guess, and a new pinion here. So as you guys can see, when I spin it like this, no issues, right? Forward, one direction, the other direction, no issues. But now I put a drive shaft in. It gets rough. Anybody know what the issue is? Alright, so we got the Ryft running again. So I had issues with this here. Whenever I would put the cover back and screw it, it wouldn't spin freely. So I ended up putting a shim right here in between the bearing. And we seem to be okay. Yeah, so she seems good. That rear diff's not making that crazy noise anymore. Back and running, baby. What? Alright. Oh yeah, keep turtling. What's that? Try not to get her to bite the thing. You gotta get one of these, bro.
This is such a fun.
Oh, it becomes a big rabbit hole. I got like 3-4 of them now.